Hello, graduates, family members, faculty, staff, community partners, and friends. Welcome to the Excel Center graduation ceremony. And let me be the first to say, congratulations, class of 2021. My name is Kent Kramer, and I am the president and CEO of Goodwill of Central and Southern Indiana. And I am so grateful for the opportunity to speak with you today about what your accomplishments mean to us at Goodwill and how immensely proud you make us each and every day. Please allow me to be one of many to commend you for your amazing accomplishments that led to this exceptional day. You are a trailblazer, you are a champion, you are a scholar, ready to apply your knowledge and experiences to help continue making the communities that we live in a better place. The world may look a little bit different these days, but through it all, you have persevered. Many of you have shifted from in-person learning to online classes with us back in March. You continue to deal with either in-person learning or e-learning challenges throughout the entirety of 2020. We dealt with canceled events, canceled celebrations, and canceled annual traditions. We have all suffered losses of loved ones, seen financial hardships hit close to us, and we've all experienced uncertainty of the future. It's very important to pause as we acknowledge your resilience and grit through this past year, through the beginning months of 2021. And honestly, we all will need to rely on that grit and resilience in the months and years ahead. While we wish we could be celebrating your achievements in person, we are thankful to be sharing this virtual ceremony so that we can all safely keep moving forward and recognize the great work that's been done to help get you to this life moment. In spite of everything, the Excel Center is proud to celebrate hundreds of new graduates this February. Since 2010, we have now supported nearly 6,000 adults towards earning a Core 40 high school diploma. And now you are a part of that family. You are a part of the Goodwill family for life. There have been over 6,500 industry recognized certifications earned by you and your fellow graduates, along with over 7,000 college credits, so that you can keep moving forward to the next steps in your journey. No matter where your next venture is, please know that the Excel Center will always be here for you, rooting for you, cheering you on, and ready to support you. Congratulations once again to the class of 2021. Enjoy your graduation celebrations today and stay well.
Graduates, family, friends, staff, and board members, as the chair of the Goodwill Excel Centers, I want to congratulate you all on a job well done. Every time I go to a graduation, it's a constant reminder to me that I never achieved a goal by myself. There was that family member, staff member, or friend who helped scratch, push, or pull me through that door of success. They may have given me a ride, they may have watched my kids, they may have cooked me a meal, or helped me with that assignment that I just couldn't figure out. They may have given me some encouragement late at night when I didn't want to finish an assignment. After experiencing 2020, I ask you, no, I beg you to pick up the phone and call them or go visit them. If they're on this, hi, tell them thank you. Thank you, Mom. If my mom's here, thank you, Mom, for all you've done. Because last year showed us that family, community, support is more important now than it ever has been before. To be exceptionally good at or proficient in an activity or subject, that is the definition of excel, and that is the reason why we are celebrating today. the ability of each and every one of you to excel in or achieve your goals, your studies, your lives, your communities, and your homes, to excel at all those things. That's what we're celebrating today. Graduates, today, you should not just hold up your head high just because you have your diploma. That is a huge accomplishment, and I congratulate you. But you should hold your head up high because you moved forward. You moved forward when you faced rain. You moved forward when you faced sleet or snow. Or maybe the sun beating upon you and giving you no mercy at all out in the heat, walking somewhere to get to school or whatever you were doing. You moved forward. You should be proud of that because you triumphed. You triumphed in the worst pandemic that we've had in over 100 years. You should be proud because you put your investment in you. No one is going to care for you more than you. No one will ever hold your dreams higher than you. No one will ever hope for you more than you. No one will wish or dream bigger for you than you because you hold the keys to success. So don't ever let a backseat driver tell you where you're going to go or what you're going to do. Kick them out of the car and keep moving down the road because you are made to excel. There is one thing that we all have in common. Regardless of our race, our sex, our age, our financial status, our inherited birth wealth, we all have a begin date and an end date. And right now we are all currently living in that dash mark in between the beginning and the end. I know that seems morbid, and it might be, but I'm going somewhere with this, so stick with me. Graduates, what you should be aware of is today is not the end. It's the beginning of everything, the beginning of your dreams, the beginning of you fulfilling all your dreams. May it be that higher paying job, or being a college graduate, or being the first college graduate within your family, or being able to achieve your master's degree, or better yet, you may even be called doctor, because no one can ever stop you from being called doctor except you. So take on that challenge when someone says, you can't do that. That's not possible because of blank, and fill that gap with, yes, I can do that because today is not the end. Graduates, you have already overcome today. There was probably somebody saying that you would never graduate. This would never happen, but guess what? It has. Because you see, you are your own master. Once you have achieved at this level, you realize there are no physical shackles on us. We are free. If you put your mind to it, you can accomplish anything because you are made to excel. So live daily to excel. Congratulations, graduates.
Woo! Members of Goodwill Education Initiatives Board of Directors, staff, Excel Center faculty, parents, family, and friends, I would like to welcome you all to the Excel Center-Muncie's virtual graduation. Members of the Goodwill Education Initiative School Board and Excel Center staff, family, and friends, I hereby declare that the members of the class of the 2019-2020 and 2020-21 students are able and have met their goals of their individual learning plans and the academic requirements of the state of Indiana. Goodwill Education Initiatives and thus are entitled to receive their diploma from the Excel Center-Muncie. Upon my recommendations as your school director and on behalf of the other school directors and staff of the Excel Centers and the Board of Directors and Goodwill Education Initiatives, by the power vested in me by the Goodwill Education Initiatives Board and the Excel Center community, the state of Indiana, I now pronounce you graduates of the Excel Center.
Hello, Muncie Excel Center graduates, students, family members, and friends. What an incredible opportunity we have to celebrate you today, graduates. The day after Term 4 ended in 2020, little did we know that the world would be changed. While this hasn't been ideal, we've persevered and we've overcome. As a staff, we've continued to serve. We've continued to graduate students. We've Zoomed. We've implemented Google Classroom. We've worked through Facebook Messenger and FaceTime. And through it all, we've persevered through. Each of our grads from Terms 4 of 2020 through Term 3 of 2021 have had incredible opportunities to display growth. We have students who are continuing their education at Ivy Tech through our partnership with them. We've had some of our graduates who are in the front lines through Farm Tech and CNA, and even in our armed forces. We've seen students take opportunities to better themselves, to better their families, because of their incredible work and determination to do so. Every student that has graduated between Terms 4 of 2020 and Term 3 of 2021 has received their Core 40 diploma. What an incredible opportunity. You know, we have a slogan around here that once an Excel Center family member, always an Excel Center family member. And we are grateful for those that have graduated with us. To our grads, we couldn't be any more proud of the work and determination and grit that you've displayed over this past year. To our future grads, these fine folks have given you the path and shown you that nothing, including a global pandemic, can get in the way when you set your mind on something and you display the resilience and purpose that they have. Nothing can get in the way of you achieving your goals. We look forward to continuing to serve. And again, graduates, we are so incredibly proud of the work you've displayed.
Congratulations, class of 2021. You are officially high school graduates. My name is Betsy Delgado, and I am the Superintendent of Education Initiatives and the Excel Center. Before you celebrate your exceptional graduation achievements with family and friends, I was hoping to share some final thoughts with you. You are now a high school graduate. It is official. As you proceed to the next chapter of your lives, I offer the following ingredients to feel some success. These are characteristics that we have observed in people and graduates that we've known and worked with over the years. The first is integrity. Keep following through with what is important and right to you. Next, grit and lifelong learning. In the face of adversity and even tragedy, try to remember the reasons you are setting your goals and never be afraid to ask for help. Look after yourself, especially your health, including your social, emotional, and physical wellness, just like we've taught you at the Excel Center. Goal striving, follow your instincts and curiosity wherever they may lead you, and keep broadening your knowledge as an Excel Center graduate. Be a leader, collaborate with others, be bold and take risks, and don't let the fear of failure stop you. Failure is just a part of life. It's another way to learn. Change is a part of life, too. At times it's frightening, but we should see it as a chance to explore and to test our limits. Above all, go out into the world and keep achieving your goals. Be proud of what you achieve. So whatever your next steps, know that we at the Excel Center are incredibly proud of you. We will be here to support you from now forward. We are your family. And we will never stop rooting for you and your success. Graduates, congratulations. You have worked very hard. You deserve to be proud of this achievement and to take this opportunity to celebrate. Good luck and good health to all of you.